This afternoon we're on the quest for our golden bird, the western bowerbird. We're situated right now in Chinaman Creek, next to Mount Gillen, just outside Alice Springs, and we're going to be making our way through this acacia woodland to a specific habitat type called mulga woodland. This is where these bowerbirds like to hang out and build their bowers to attract females. Let's see if we can get a look. Let's go, Chase. With these atypical rains comes manna from heaven in the form of grasshoppers. Just swarms of grasshoppers and locusts attracted by these rains, and with this manna from heaven in the form of these delectable insects comes a whole variety of very interesting birds.
But it wasn't just the birds that took advantage of this source of protein. BATV executive producer Jeff Aderman couldn't resist either.
What do you got there, Jeff? Little snack, afternoon snack in the outback, Jack.
Oh, it looks like it's alive too.
Oh, it's moving.
Oh, it's checking.
Mm.